Charlie the Clever Crow. In a little village lived a clever crow named Charlie. He had shiny black feathers and clever eyes. One sunny day, Charlie saw kids playing with kites. He wanted to join in the fun, so he made his own kite from sticks, leaves, and strings he found. It looked unique, just like Charlie. He went to the kids and surprised them with his kite. The kite flew high and made everyone happy. The kids thanked Charlie for the fun. After that day, Charlie became a friend to the village. He showed everyone his clever tricks and made them smile. People learned that even a crow can bring joy and surprises. And so, Charlie's adventure reminded everyone that being smart and trying new things can make friends and make people happy.